How to use Jasper AI before and after bridge template. Okay, so the first step is to sign in on Jasper. If you haven't, then kindly click on the link in the description to sign up and you get 10,000 words for free. Once you signed up on Jasper, click right here by the left where it says templates. And then here you choose before and after bridge template right here. Okay, once you do that, you see company slash product name and then content description. Okay, so for this tutorial, we have our company name as Amazon, and then right here under the content description, you're supposed to provide information about your product or your service. And right here, I just have a brief information about Amazon. And then here it says tone of voice. Just choose any tone of voice you like. I like to choose witty just because it sounds better. Okay, and then you click on generate, and then Jasper will come up with marketing copies using the before and after bridge framework. Okay, so the idea here is to explain people's challenges and then explain how your product or your service solves those problems. Okay, thank you very much for watching. You can use this for your marketing copies, your social media copies, your sales copies, website content, for your any kind of adverts, Google ads, Facebook ads, and any kind of copy that can help you grow your business. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next